We are pleased to show you the 2016 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.